Today I got my very first Japan crate. Now I haven't done a Japanese snacky box yet. I've gotten Japanese different candies and snacks in some of my anime boxes, which I really don't like that. The dreaded snack in the non-snack boxes, but I do like snacks from Japan. So let's see what's in this all snack box. Now I cut the tape, but I haven't looked inside yet. Oh, and that's such a pretty box. Such a pretty box. Let me cover this. It's somewhat covered. Look at this pretty, pretty box. Isn't that so cool? That is so cool. The little Mount Fuji there, smiling at you. Okay, let's try the biggest item here. Shrimp chips. Okay, now, once again, I'm not into seafood, so I'm hoping it's not too fishy. It looks like this. Oh my, ooh. Oh, whoa. Oh. You first taste it and it's like bam. It's got a kick to it. Oh. Wow. Wow. And it's literally filled to like here down. There's just that much air, so there's still a good portion in those. Oh my good gracious. Those have a really kind of bit of a kick to them. Wow. Yes. Okay, next I'm gonna try the Chip Star. Okay, we've got this wrapping. Okay, and as you can see, they look like our Pringles here. So let's see what they taste like. And this is another shrimp flavor. So a little bit scared here. Just a little bit. Hopefully it's not too fishy. Okay. So these just have like a very, very slight fishy flavor to them. And me personally, being someone who's not into seafood tasting stuff, these you can barely taste the fishiness. Whereas these chips here, ooh, those have a kick to them and you can taste a lot more fishiness with those. So, okay, so let's check out this little, whatever this is. Okay, so it looks like this. Got maybe like a powdery type thing going on the top here. Looks like a type of a wafer. Let me check it out here. Mmm. 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 Okay. So this is like the wafer on the bottom, and this is kind of like a let me try again. It's a soft, kind of a creamy, only though it's not creamy, because as you can see, it's kind of firm, but it's like like a cream puff thingy in the center. Like one of those little puff things with the, well, I don't know how to describe it, but anyway, this is good. That is good. So let me put that aside. Okay, let's see. Let's try these. Huh. These are like in their own little thing. Okay, so they're like chocolate on one side and something else on another side. Let's see what they are. And they look like little hearts. Like a little chocolatey type thing. Those are really good. Those are really good. It's like chocolate with something else. Maybe like more of like fudge instead of chocolate. It's good. Okay, let's see. We've got this. Okay. Peace. It's got this little thing on the end here. And I'm guessing this is some type of a gummy. Oh, yeah, it just kind of comes out and it's, wow, it is like very, very super sticky gummy. See this little beverage cup here? It kind of tastes like a soda flavored gummy. Like maybe a Dr. Pepper type flavor. Different. Next we have this banana with like chocolate filling, whatever thingamajigger here. Okay, so it looks like that. Okay. So it's kind of like a marshmallow with a little bit of chocolate in the middle. Really good. Kind of like our one American candy, oh shoot, I can't think of the name of it now, but it's like a marshmallowy type thing with a little flavor. Anyway, this is really good. Not very big though. Ooh, I like the crumb. So much for that one. Okay, and we got these gummies. Okay, so they're in this little plastic thingamajig. They look just like a normal gummy. You gotta kind of chew a little extra much to kind of chew through them. Well, they're pretty good, but you just gotta chew a little more than you would with a normal gummy. They're slightly more chewy. And now since the Japan crate was delayed in the shipping. We had received an email saying we were going to get a little bonus item in this particular month's box, and also apparently next month's box too, to make up for the delay. And I'm guessing this little otter here is probably the little kind of apology gift. Isn't he cute? Cute little otter. This little plastic little otter. Cute little extra. Okay, so there's like a tear here. And these are individually wrapped. Looks like it's kind of got sugar crystals around it. Just a little squishy gummy cube with little sugary on the outside. Those, wow. Wow, those are very good. Very good. Definitely recommend those. Wow. Okay, let's see. So we've got our kind of waste of space. 3 little thingies here. Looks like that. Huh. When you bite into it, it like falls apart. I don't know if you can see this line right here, but it's like 2 layers, and like the 2 layers separate as you bite into it. Kind of tastes like a sweet or a Smartie. Like a mix between a Smartie and a Sweetheart. Okay, this is the do-it-yourself thing. Again, I wonder if I want to open this or not yet. I'm not sure how you make it. Let me leave that aside for now. Okay, so we have this. And I'm reading on the little booklet thingy. It's supposed to be like a combination between our Pop Rocks and our Fun Dip stuff, it said in here. Actually, I guess I could, oh, I'll turn to the right page. I guess I could be telling you about all the stuff it says about each one on that page. But anyway, so it's like this, and as you can see, there is powdery stuff, sugary stuff, what have you, on the bottom. And it looks like apparently you suck on your sucker and you stick it in there. So let's oh man. I gave that a lick, and oh my goodness. I guess I got too much. There was a little bit already on it. Okay, so I got it slobbered on, and now the stuff sticks to it. So let's see. Oh my goodness. Wow, that is some strong sugary stuff in there. So, you lick your sucker, and you shake it around in the powder to get it covered, and you lick the powder stuff off, which is kind of got a kick to it. Ooh, it's good though. Just that first initial lick and what have you to it is kind of whoa. Okay, so let's see. We've got the gum. We got the pop. Okay, let's try this Japanese pop here. And it's definitely very much pineapple flavor. Very pineapple-y. Not too overwhelming though. Okay, let's get back to this thing. So we've got, okay, so these little molds obviously go together. Okay. And we've got a silver and a white thingy-jig. And we have our sticks. Looks like you can make 4 pops total. Okay. So, how do we make these? Okay. Okay, create your own animal zoo with this fun kit. Let's see, I think I've seen a page here in the back that showed how to do it. Okay. First, you use the different colored soft candy dough to fill in the molds. So this must be the candy filled doughs. Okay, make sure to fill the front and back molds tightly without any gaps to create firm, great looking lollipops. Yellow dough is the lemon flavored. Pink dough is strawberry flavored. So, let's see. This must be strawberry flavored since it looks more like a strawberry, and this must be lemon flavored since it looks like a lemon. Okay. When you are happy with the placement of dough in the molds, place the lollipop sticks in the middle and then fit the front and back molds tightly together for a few seconds. Separate the 2 molds carefully and your animal-shaped gummy lollipops will be ready to eat. Okay, so it could end up like such on the bottom here. Okay, so we've got the strawberry dough candy stuff here, and I'm going to show you how to do one of these. I read on the back, and apparently we just kind of lay it into position, squish it around a little bit, I experimented with the other dough flavor and figured out how to do this, and it was really quite tasty. So you have this pressed together, give it a nice good extra squeeze all around. And they're a little delicate, but there we have it. Kinda got the top a little screwed up on that one, but this is how those work, and they're quite tasty. Just like that, done. Very, very good. It's really sweet. Definitely can taste a lot of sugar in there. And it's got kind of a doughy texture to it. Very good. And this one being the strawberry, as you can see, a little strawberry designed on the package. Obviously tastes like strawberry. The other one was lemon, and it did taste lemony. But this is very good. So anyway, that is the Japan crate. And I really quite enjoyed basically all the snacks. With the exception of the two shrimpy things. Those were just a little not in my personal taste range. The Pringle type things really wasn't too shrimpy, but these little wheat puffed ones, these puppies really got a kick to them. And they're a bit more shrimpy flavored. So anyway, just a little unboxing for y'all. What did you think about it? Did you like the stuff? Hate the stuff? Who else got a box? And what did you think of it? So, just an unboxing for y'all.